Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete chats in Character AI. First of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC and go to beta.character.ai. Now, make sure you are signed into your Character AI account and you will be able to see the characters you have made on the top of your screen. Simply select the target character and then click on the three dotted icon at the top right of your screen. Now select Remove Messages. Then select the messages that you want to remove or just select the whole conversation and then click on Remove. Once done, all of your messages will be deleted. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.